Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. Today we will start the poem The Rebel, composed by D.J. Enright. Dear student, you know that the rebel means here who disagrees with you or anyone. The rebel in a sense that who does opposite whatever is done by common people. The rebel will always do opposite from others. His nature will be contradictory from others. In this poem it is mentioned that the rebel always does opposite from others. We have to be rebel in our life, but for right reasons. If we are a rebel for the right reason, we will be successful in our life. So come on the poem and try to know about the poem in detail. The rebel. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you, or your friends, or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Think of a word to describe such a person. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. Now read the poem and try to understand it clearly. Dear student, you know that in starting you see that from two lines, when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When you know that, when everybody has a short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. He will grow his hair long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody will keep long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So in this stanza we get that his nature is contradictory. He does opposite. When everybody has short hair, he will keep long hair. When everybody has long hair, he will keep short hair. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. Suppose that you are the student. When everybody talks during the lesson, when teacher is teaching, and on that time the students are not talking, possibly. But when everybody talks during the lesson on any particular topic or anything, the rebel does not say a word. On that time the rebel does not say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, when the teacher is teaching and nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. On that time rebel creates disturbance, creates problem in the class, creates commotion in the classroom. Understand? So we know that he does opposite here also. When everybody is in silent mode, every student is in silent mode, he will create disturbance. When everybody talks during the lesson, he will be silent. He doesn't say a word. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Suppose that you are the student, you wear uniform. When everybody wears uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. He will wear, fantastic means wonderful, shiny clothes. Understand? When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. And on the other hand, when everybody will wear fantastic, wonderful clothes, fashionable clothes, on that time the rebel dresses soberly. Means the rebel dresses soberly means in a sense moderately, means moderate dress. He will not wear such a fashionable dress. Understand? So you know that when everybody wears uniform, he wears fantastic clothes. When everybody wear fantastic clothes, he wears soberly. He wears soberly, dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference of cats. When everybody talks about dog in the group of dog lovers, the rebel expresses his view. He will prefer what? He will talk for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dog. In the company of cat lovers, where people like cats, the rebel puts in a good word for, he will use good words for dogs. Understand? When everybody is praising the sun, when everybody is admiring the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. He will remarks need for rain. Suppose that when everybody needs rain, he will need sun. When everybody admiring, praising the sun, he will needs for rain. Just opposite. When everybody is greeting the sun, when everybody is welcome, when everybody welcomes the sun, when everybody is greeting the rain, when everybody welcomes the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. On that time, the rebel repents. So repents, pastava. Regrets the absence of the sun. Means that when everybody needs the sun, he will need the rain. When everybody need the rain, he will need the sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads book. When everybody goes to the meeting, on that time the rebel, who does opposite, stays at home and reads the book. Suppose that you are going in the party on that time, everybody will go to the party, on that time he will sit at home and read a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, and when there will be timing for reading a book, when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting, then he will go to the meeting. Just opposite. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. Suppose that you are anywhere and you need everyone saying yes please, provide me, give the things, and on that time he say no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. Suppose that you are eating and everybody has eaten, has eaten too much, everybody has eaten too much, then everyone will say no thank you. But on that time when everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is a very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one, but it is not good to find in others. It is good to have rebels, because we have to be rebels for ourselves, for our lives, because if we will be rebel, then we will try to do better in our future. So I hope that you have understood the poem. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.